Hello, I am student Dr. Bill. How can I assist you today?
Hi Bill, I just want to get my teeth cleaned.
I think what you are saying is that you want to get your teeth cleaned.
Yes, that is exactly what I said.
I think what you are saying is that I restated what you said exactly.
Yes, that is what I said. Can you not hear well?
I think you are wondering if I have a hearing problem.
What does this have to do with me getting my teeth cleaned?
I think you are wondering what our conversation has to do with cleaning your teeth.
Is this some kind of joke?
I think you are wondering if I am being facetious.
Look, I don't care what you think I said. Can you just clean my teeth?
I think you no longer care that I think you said certain things and want me to clean your teeth.
Yes, so why don't you get started?
I think you are wondering why I haven't started cleaning your teeth.
Are you a total idiot? What the hell do they teach you at this school anyway? I just want to get my effing teeth cleaned and all you do is repeat every word I have said. What the hell is wrong with you? Have you no brain?
I think you are wondering if I am mentally challenged. You also are concerned that the education I am receiving is subpar. I also think you want to get your teeth cleaned. You are contemplating whether there is something wrong with me and you are wondering if I am an encephalus.
Screw this. I'm out of here.